The new Hierarchical Keywords feature inside ON1 Photo RAW 2019.5 will allow photographers to nest keywords inside of each other. Now if we go into our keyword list, we can create different categories and subcategories of keywords. And if you want to organize your keywords, you can just drag and drop them into different categories. For example, this plastic keyword probably shouldn't be in my season. So I'll just click it, drag and drop, and I'll put it in material. And now it's added that plastic keyword to my material category. But let's say I want to add a keyword for the material in this photo. I can click on that category, I'll right click, and I can select Add Keyword. And since this was just some seaweed, I'll just type in seaweed. I'll head over and click Apply. And now we have that seaweed keyword added right there. If you want to modify a keyword, you can do that by right-clicking. I can assign a keyword to that photo, I can remove a keyword from the photo, I can add a keyword to add a subcategory, I can edit that keyword, delete it, or I could find all of those photos with that keyword. You can also import keywords from other applications that support them, such as Lightroom. To import keywords, simply head up to this gear menu and select Import Keywords. And if we want to search for a keyword, we can head over to our Filters pane, and under our Advanced options, we can choose Keyword. And now if we start searching for a keyword such as seaweed, it will automatically pull out all of the seaweeds and show us where they're at inside the nested keywords. This will help us find and navigate through our photos.